This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we got Jackie in here with us. Jackie's our last patient of the day. We've been just swamped today all day, so this is the first time we've had to do a video, and it's a good one because Jackie's hurting from head to toe, literally. I'm going to be adjusting her feet. She has some plantar fasciitis as well, and she's been getting some neck and upper back pain, mid back pain, lower back pain, pain down her pelvis, pain down her legs and in her feet, and she's regular just kind of pain in the ass, right?
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
This is her second
This
treatment.
is only her second adjustment. She does ultrasound all day at the hospital, so she's bent forward a lot doing ultrasound, and that's causing her to have a forward head posture and kind of a forward posture, which increases the weight bearing all the way down her spine into her lumbar spine. Okay, let's have you close your eyes, Jackie, and bend your head forward and backwards for me, please. Then back to neutral. There you go. See your head still a little forward and over to the right. Take a look in the mirror. See that? Yeah.
It's supposed to be right.
And down here, your pelvis still shifted a little bit left. So today we're going to do this one first. There we go. Pelvis right there. There you go. There we go. Now you drive how far? About an hour, hour and a half to get here
Yeah.
from Sugar Land?
Yep.
Come all the way around the Beltway. They opened the Beltway back up today, though.
We came on West Park Tollway this time.
Oh, did you? Was that easier?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It cut down a lot.
Okay, good. Okay, just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh, yeah. Home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, look at there. I shook your phone out of you. I don't take any tips less than 100, though. That a girl. Okay, let me have you. That's it. Excellent. There you go. Keep breathing. We're almost there. I should feel a little bit better already, though. Okay, let's come over here. Let's come over here and lay on your tummy next. There we go. Okay.
Put your hands to the side.
Right leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch, and then when I bring it up, it actually gets even. That probably tightens up a little bit in your low back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna adjust your foot right now. Ooh, yeah. You feel that? There we go.
Ooh.
Excellent. That's really sore right there, isn't it?
Oh, that's where my
Yeah, I know.
injury is at.
I know.
Oh.
There we go. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Good girl. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your SI joints first. There's your left one, your right one, your sacrum right down the center. There. Yep. Oh, you're breathing better today and relaxing a little better. There you go. Good. There. Okay. Yeah. Just let me get another one. Keep breathing normal. There it is. I knew it was in there. Just had to catch you in between bucks. See, your legs are even now. Does this feel a little easier than the first time?
Right now I can't feel it.
You can't tell? Alright.
I feel numb.
That a girl. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. So you did diagnostic ultrasound or treatment ultrasound?
I don't do
Oh, I thought you did.
No.
Oh, okay. What is it you do?
Housekeeping.
Oh, okay, that's right. So you're bent forward a lot still though, right?
Oh yeah.
There we go. Okay, let's put your arms out to the sides. Okay, straight out like Jesus. There we go. That's it. Get your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs right here. These aren't as sore as they were the first time. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to continue adjusting your feet. There. Now you should have felt that in your ankle all the way up to your low back, did you?
Not good. I just felt like in my ankle.
In your ankle? Okay. I'll make sure and pull harder on this one. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, now let's sit you up and face that away. There we go. There, just keep your chin up. There you go. Yep.
I'm gonna walk you out of here like a, what's it called? A rubber band.
Oh yeah. There we go. Yep, crack act still gonna love you. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror and shoot you now. Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards again. You see how she's standing up straighter though? Now that was better. Stop at neutral. Look in the mirror now. See how you're more down the center?
Yeah.
You feel your shoulders squared off better?
Yeah.
Let's pull these up and back. Flare these guys way back here. And then see, we're going to bring your head straight back and then look all the way back. There. Yep. Okay, relax. Try that same thing again, forward and backwards. This should feel smoother to you this time. I could put a little WD-40 in there. Yeah. Take a look here at the spacing now. It's more even from side to side. Your hands are more at your sides as opposed to being out front of you. You feel better than when you walked in the door?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's good.
I'll tackle something.
Yeah.
Go home.
She'll be Fasciitis tonight. You better watch out. Very good. So this is the end of our day here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. We just had to get one video in before we left from pain from head to toe after a long day's work, huh?
Yep.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.